Okay, Flipgrid is basically when students can post videos of themselves presenting information and also using some of the resources through the website of Flipgrid to enhance the message of what they are presenting on. Essentially, this covers the topic or goes along with the topic that is important as an English language arts teacher, but it's speaking and listening. So that's how I would use this in my classroom. The objectives to use Flipgrid can change. But here are some that I foresee that you guys could use as objectives. Students will be able to present information using visuals to enhance their message. You could also say that students listen to and analyze other students' videos. And then essentially the goal of Flipgrid, or one of my main goals that I would use it for, is to give students a low stakes way of speaking in front of people. So being able to allow them to practice those skills, but without being in front of the whole class. To sign up for Flipgrid, you basically go to flipgrid.com, go to Educators Sign Up, and then I've already signed up, obviously, but you would just sign up with Google. What you can do here is start discussions. You can create groups. You can see activities that are going on. One thing that I would really focus on, though, would be the discussion side of things. So the first thing you would do is create a group. I've created a couple of classes to play with this. I also had my students use this once last year, so it kind of worked out well. Then within the actual class itself, you can create a topic, and then students can respond using videos. And so here are some examples of them just posting themselves talking about the topic that they were asked to cover. Flipgrid is just a really cool resource to use, and I look forward to using it more this next year for sure. I was able to align Flipgrid with the ISTE standards because of the innovation and the collaboration piece of it, that they would actually be listening to others speak and also being able to talk about each other's videos. And then I also aligned it with the standards because it ensures that all students have skilled teachers who actively use technology and meet student learning needs. And this is just a new technology piece that teachers could use in their classroom. So I really hope that you go and you use Flipgrid as you see fit in your classroom. And if you have any questions, let me know.